Okay, y'all, I'm trying to be as helpful as possible because I really did struggle with this. This took me hours to do, just because I couldn't understand the instructions. Like, they don't have any words on them. So, what I did step by step, take this base and then take this top part and put it in. Don't put any screws in. Excuse me. And then I went ahead with this bottom piece and I screwed this in tightly. And then I went back over here and I screwed this in. I only had to use one screw. It didn't even let me use 2 screws, and it's perfectly stable. I just sat in this chair for dinner, so it shouldn't be an issue for y'all. And then when it comes to the table, that's probably the most intimidating part of this process, just because the legs are literally everywhere, or for my table, the legs are everywhere. So the best advice I can give for the table is to make sure the leg is facing out like this. Make sure the grippers, the sliding grippers, whatever they're called, furniture grippers, look like this. When you're assembling the legs, I tied them tight enough for me to be able to attach it to the glass, and to be able to flip the glass upright, because I was doing this upside down. Like, I had this part was in the air, like the bottom of the legs were in the air, and I was working with the top part of it. So of course I have to attach it to the table, so I had to work that way. But yeah, so once I attached it to the table, I flipped it upright again, tightened it enough so it doesn't shift, because when I was trying to tighten it like a kind of loose, it was like shifting, and it was, that could break the table if, it would have fell on the table. Excuse me. But yeah, for the table, just look at that picture real close. That's what I did. So hopefully this helps. If it doesn't, I'm so sorry, because the instructions are terrible. But this is how the table turned out for me. So it is cute. I do like the price. Yeah.
Table set. Don't mind my jacket.